What if I told you that artificial intelligence isn't coming, it's already here, quietly making choices for you every single day? From the music you wake up to the videos that appear on your feed, every tap, every scroll, every pause is being recorded, analyzed, and used to predict what you'll do next. You think you're choosing what to watch, what to buy, or even who to date, but in reality, AI is gently steering those decisions behind the scenes. It doesn't shout for your attention. It doesn't need to. It works in silence, shaping your world one subtle choice at a time. This is the quiet takeover, and most of us don't even realize it's happening. Every second, algorithms are predicting your next click. It's not magic, it's data. Billions of invisible lines of code observe your actions, what you watch, how long you watch, what you skip. From this, they build a mirror of who you are, and who you might become. But this mirror isn't perfect. It reflects what you've done, not what you truly want. Still, it guides your every move, like an architect shaping the foundation of a digital world you can't see, but already live in. Your home used to be private, a space that belonged only to you. But today, even your walls are listening. Smart devices remember your habits, what time you wake up, the songs you play, the temperature you prefer. They learn, adapt, and predict before you even think to act. Even your commute is guided by invisible algorithms, deciding the best route, the fastest path, and sometimes, the choices you never knew were made for you. Convenience has a cost, and that cost is knowing less about how much your world already knows about you.
In the digital marketplace, no two prices are ever truly the same. What you pay depends not just on what you want, but on who the algorithm thinks you are. Every search, every click, every hesitation adds to a profile that predicts how much you're willing to spend. Behind every discount is a calculation, behind every limited offer is a psychological trigger designed by AI. It's not manipulation in the traditional sense, it's optimization. And the line between the two is getting thinner every day.
Behind the curtain of modern industry, machines are no longer just tools, they're decision makers. Every movement on the factory floor, from assembly to delivery, is monitored and optimized by artificial intelligence. Sensors feed endless streams of data into systems capable of analyzing millions of variables in seconds. There's no room for human intuition anymore, only algorithms dictating the most efficient move. AI doesn't just speed up production, it builds an ecosystem that never sleeps, never feels, never rests. But behind this progress lies a bigger question. If machines can think and decide better than humans, what's left for us?
Generative AI composes songs, paints portraits, and writes fiction that feels human. In studios bathed in warm light, humanoid AI artists mix colors on canvas with precision no human hand could replicate. Digital music notes float in holographic displays as melodies are composed in real time. Virtual narratives unfold on screens, blending imagination and data into stories that surprise even their creators. Observers watch in awe as machines collaborate with humans, blurring the line between artist and algorithm. Creativity is no longer limited to minds alone, it flows from circuits and synapses alike. Deepfakes mimic real people. What's real, and what's engineered, is no longer easy to tell apart. Digital faces shift seamlessly, with every expression and gesture replicated perfectly by AI algorithms. Even video calls and live streams can be altered, making authenticity harder to trust. News clips, advertisements, and social media videos can appear genuine, yet be entirely synthetic. This technology challenges our perception, forcing us to question what we see online. Observers struggle to distinguish the real from the fabricated, and even AI itself sometimes cannot flag all manipulations. The line between truth and illusion has never been thinner, highlighting the power, and the danger, of advanced artificial intelligence. AI's revolution didn't arrive with a bang, it quietly integrated itself into our daily routines. From morning commutes guided by traffic algorithms to personalized news feeds, AI is constantly shaping our decisions. People interact with devices without realizing how much influence is being exerted. Smart assistants anticipate our needs, online platforms curate content tailored for us, and invisible algorithms optimize even mundane activities. This silent integration reshapes our habits, our work, and even our culture, demonstrating that the future is unfolding subtly, yet undeniably. Because behind every convenience we enjoy, there's an algorithm quietly making choices on our behalf. From the apps we open to the recommendations we receive, unseen data processes guide our behavior. People often remain unaware of how deeply AI shapes their decisions, influencing what they see, what they buy, and even how they interact socially. In this subtle orchestration, human agency coexists with digital guidance, creating a world where technology and life are intricately intertwined. Observing this interplay reminds us that while AI enhances efficiency, it also challenges our perception of autonomy and choice. As we've seen, AI is quietly shaping our world in ways both visible and invisible. From the apps we use daily to the systems running our cities, algorithms are influencing choices and experiences more than ever before. Understanding this hidden architecture is the first step toward using AI responsibly. Remember, while technology advances rapidly, human awareness, ethics, and curiosity remain irreplaceable. Stay curious, question what you see, and let knowledge guide your digital journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights into our evolving world.